Introducing Linear One DMX. Linear One DMX follows in the footsteps of the single-color Linear One by offering a fantastic amount of flexibility and readily available options in a high-output linear fixture. Built on the Acclaim Modular System platform, all Linear One DMX units gets assembled in our Los Angeles headquarters for quick order turnaround. IP66 exterior and interior versions allow for placement in any environment. Available in RGBW, RGBA, and dynamic white color options. With up to 10 beam angle options, you can use Linear One DMX for almost any application, including cove, graze, and wall wash. The hidden linkable cable system provides a clean aesthetic for applications where the fixture is visible. The internal DMX plus RDM driver allows for remote configuration and addressing of your lights. Linear One DMX is a complete rethinking of what a DMX-controlled linear product can be. Refined to work with your creativity, Linear One provides end-to-end modular functionality that adapts to your needs and never works against them. Acclaim Lighting is motivated by its users' passion and drives to produce the very best solutions in architectural lighting. We create beautiful products that work for creativity.